Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a banner for your YouTube channel in Canva, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have opened up a blank project in the format of a presentation on Canva, and I'll be using this blank canvas to explain things to you. Now, firstly, what you can do is, of course, add any elements you want, such as shapes, even frames where you can later put images in. For example, this triangle right here. As you can see, the shape doesn't go in it since it's not an image, but if I had an image, I could very easily insert here. Let me just try it with this AI generated image, which I couldn't insert very easily, but it doesn't really matter. You can add any of these that you want. You can add lines, you can add graphics, you can add pretty much anything you would like, and you can use these as tools to create your own image and your own background. You can also add text, or you can even add your own images, which you can drag and drop to upload them, or upload them manually through clicking the upload button, or you can even take a picture in the moment and use that. Now you can also go into designs and select a template which you would like to use. For example, you just type in YouTube banner and click on whichever one you want. For example, this one, and you can very easily just edit it by changing the organization, adding more elements such as more text, and you can very easily create your own YouTube banner that way. Once you're done, you just go into share in the top right, click download, select the format you want to download, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.